Hello class, now that we are familiar with Google Drive, the cloud storage program, we are going to learn how to work with files, mainly uploading files to Google Drive and then converting them to a workable format so that we can edit them over the internet. To do this, we're going to log into our Gmail account and then click up here on the app waffle, then look for the Google Drive icon, click on that. Now we see here our main Google Drive folder, or the My Drive, and we have the folders or files that we've been working with. To upload files, there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can click here on My Drive and click on Upload Files if you just want to upload single files, or you can upload an entire folder by clicking here. You can also click on New, and the same thing appears there, File Upload or Folder Upload. Or one of the easiest ways to do it is to have your window, Explorer window already open, and we want here in my Google Drive, I want to upload these test documents. And I want to upload all three, so to do that, I'm going to click on one, and then holding down Control, I'm going to click on the other two, and now you see all three are selected. And I'm going to drag those to my internet browser window here in my Google Drive, and you'll see a little file drop indicator pops up. Let go of the button, drag and drop, and Google has uploaded my files. Now you'll notice that the icons indicate that they are in still a Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel or Microsoft PowerPoint format. So if I open this up right now, all I get is a preview of the document. I can't edit the document. I can only see what's in there. So click on the back arrow here. To make this document, I'll close this window down. To make this document so we can edit the document online, I'm going to right-click so my menu pops up, and I'm going to go down to the option here that says Open With. Now, Open With will show me the different options I have to open this document. I want to be able to edit it in Google Docs, so I'll click on Google Docs. And it takes a second to process and load. But once it does, now I can edit this document online. So that is how you convert the documents. You can do the same with Excel and open it with Google Sheets, or you can do the same with PowerPoint and open it with Google Slides. And notice that it still preserved my original copy. It just made a copy of the document in Google Docs format. And that's how you upload files and convert them to a workable format online.